Look who's in the hammock with me. No escape though. Gotta stay in here with me. Hammock and chill. About to get this dinner started. Okay, so I got some ramen and this is my broth, so let's just put it together. I can't wait. I want to show you guys. I should not have asked for extra ramen noodles because my bowl is overflowing. My cup runneth over. I'm gonna add some spices. Oops. So the last time we left off, I was talking about how I have quite a few bags and they're all cramped up there and I'm really short. So I have to use the step stool here to get everything that's up there. And it's just kind of a hazard. I don't want Mateo to ever touch it and have it fall on his head or something. But I absolutely need it in this room just because there's a lot of crap. And honestly, if I could find a way to organize the folded clothes, I mean right now they're all squeezed up here. If I could get more things put up there maybe, I don't know, I feel like it'll look less tight in here. There's also the fear that Mateo might be able to reach everything if I do what I'm planning to do. So what I ended up doing is I bought a cheap $35 shelf from Target. It's got, you know, those pieces. I'm still working on it, but I didn't get to pick it up till like 7 p.m. and I cooked until like 9 p.m. yesterday. So I just assembled it, but it was kind of midnight, like 11:30, and I needed to use nails and I didn't know that, so all that hammering was going on at 11:30 and I felt really bad for the neighbors. So I only hammered the corners so we could move it in here because I did it in the living room. So yeah, now this has all been assembled. I'm going to go around the edges and put in the extra nails to reinforce the edges. Like I said, I didn't want to make noise yesterday night. Once I do, I don't know if I'm gonna put it back there or what. This bike is gonna leave here in the next 3 weeks, 2 or 3 weeks. But we still want to use this room as a workout room, and I still need to get to be able to film in here. So I gotta sort out this and figure out if it's gonna go in the closet or if it's gonna go in here, or if this table needs to move, or if this mirror needs to move. Sorry I sound hoarse. I literally just woke up. Like I rolled out of bed and grabbed the camera, so I brushed my teeth and that's it. I'm really tired, but it's bugging me that this is on the floor. So I want to hammer it all in so that I can raise it up and decide all that. And I thought I'd just tell you guys what I was doing today. And that's it. He's scared of the hammer. Anyway, I'm all done. So Brandon's gonna come help me flip it, and then I can put the shelves, which are right there, in. So I'm all done. This is the finished product. It's quite tall. I have to say it's quite tall. But what I like about it is, one, it was freaking cheap, $30, $35. I think with tax, $36. I had a coupon, so $36. Anyway, these two bottom shelves are bigger. So actually I could probably replicate that size difference maybe in the top if I prefer. But seeing as my cat's going to be attacking the first two levels, God help me, I got white. His nails are gonna make it all brown in 5 seconds because he's gonna tear through that paint so fast. But yeah, the bigger bags, the taller ones, the Gracefuls and the Neverfuls of this world need higher height, or I need to put them on top, like at the very top. But I don't want to put any Louis down here. I just know Mateo will go ham. So I might put like the Louis boxes down here. And still, I don't want him to damage that. So I don't know. There's like cat repellent sprays I can get. I don't know what I'm going to do. But anyway, the point is this is done. All that's left is this part right here. So I'm supposed to attach it. Let me show you guys. I'm supposed to attach it to the wall to keep it safe. However, I don't have a drill, so I'm gonna see if there's a way for me to hammer something in. But I can't secure it to the wall unless I know where I want to put this, and I still right now don't know where I want to put it because I have to check out the whole feng shui of the room and I need Brandon to help me move it around. And I had already started working on the art wall, the picture wall. So if I have to move that, the good thing is it's command hooks. I can always move it and stick it somewhere else. But yeah, I need to figure out where this ginormous thing goes, in here or in the closet, which I'm starting to like doubt it'll look good in the closet because it's so tall. Thank God I was in here by myself. I just stepped on a nail. I was looking for a nail and here it was. Yeah, I'm glad Mateo did not eat that. But yeah, I'll show you when I find out where to put it, and then when I load it full of purses, we'll see. My purses give Brandon anxiety, so I actually don't want to put them out here where he's going to be working out, because then he has to see them and sweat and Google how much each one was. He does that, you guys. He Googles them. Anyway, yeah. Right, okay. So we moved it into the angle, into the corner at an angle. However, it just feels really flimsy. It wobbles so much. Do you see the wobbling? And all it takes is this. Look, humans, we'd be fine. But this little guy, you see him in all my crap already? If he touches it one time, it's gonna come down on him and kill him. And I have to think about that. It's like childproof and everything. So I don't know how we're gonna secure it because they only provided us one thing. It looks kind of like this, and that needs you to put it flush against the wall. So I really don't know. I'm not gonna load it just yet because I want to figure that out first. But we moved the table up, which is, I guess, okay. I just have to think about this. I mean, it's like, is it gonna be more sturdy if I put weight into it or more flimsy? Good question. No idea. Anyway, that's it. Oh, also we don't want to block this little socket because that's how I charge my laptop. I'll keep y'all posted. I'm tired and just frustrated. He's gonna go touch it and the whole thing's gonna come down on his head. So let me just get him out of here before he dies. Okay, so this is what I have so far. The room is still not done, clearly. The book's on the floor. But this is what I have so far that I'd share. I decided I'm not gonna risk the bigger bags, so they're still in the closet. I don't want to put anything valuable, too valuable in the bottom two shelves just yet. I don't know, at some point maybe I will. But the good thing about this arrangement is I still have shelf space in the closet, so I can alternate which bags are out, which ones are in. My Chanel's are all up top. Yeah, the Louis are just so many drastically different sizes. There's no way to put them all on one row. And some of them are flattened out right now, so I don't know, do I want to stuff them, keep them in their dust bags, leave them exposed? I don't want all this sunlight from the window hitting them. Even these boxes on top, I'm worried about that vent. I don't want to overdo it. The good thing about the closet is there's no vent that goes right in there, so they're kind of temperature controlled, but that's what I have for now, and I thought I'd share just in case the sun lights too much. Yeah. Part of the decor stuff we're doing in this room is hanging up portraits on this wall. I'm gonna do them all canvas. Today, Walgreens, and this is random, I was gonna order anyway, but I found out Walgreens was doing a Father's Day order. Today is the Friday before Father's Day. And so I used the coupon and it gave me 70% off. So this, which is normally about $32, came to $16, and I think with tax, and I bought other things, my whole checkout was like 20 bucks, $21, something like that. So I got dish soap and a soap dish or whatever. But the point is, if you're ever looking to turn some of your photos on your phone into wall art, you can do it on the Walgreens app for like very cheap, and there's always a coupon. Never pay full price. You can also do Shutterfly, but yeah, I never pay full price. I use Shutterfly for like mugs and stuff, but I really go to whoever has the best deal. Thing is, they can get this done in about 15 minutes. Shutterfly takes, you know, they have to ship it. So that's kind of the main issue. Look at him. So I'm trying to decide what part of the wall to put it on. One just looks really silly because it's so small, but the resolution on that one was so whack, it had to be small. This had better resolution, so, but it's still the same size. It's just instead of it being this way, I have it horizontal because of the couch. But this is the house, you guys, if you don't remember, this is the house we did our engagement shoot at, because this is the house we did our traditional Nigerian wedding ceremony at. We actually had this couch brought outside for the ceremony, which is supposed to be evening but turned into a night wedding, but who cares. But I love canvases because they end up wrapping around. So you see the lamp is wrapped around, and the Charlotte skyline, I believe, is wrapped around here as well. But yeah, I'll put it up and show y'all what that looks like. So, forgot to address the elephant in the room. Yes, I did move this couch in here. This little chair. Sometimes I need to come in here to work and I just need a break. But also sometimes Brandon's on calls now that we're working from home, and the bedroom only has the bed, and I don't want to be in the bed all day because I was sick for so long. I'm sick of that bed. So because I don't want to be sitting on the bed and I don't want to be in the living room disturbing his phone call, it makes sense to come in here and watch TV. So this is perfectly aligned with the TV, so I can sit here and watch, but it swivels. So I know there'll be days where I'll probably just kind of turn it towards the window and read a book. Eventually when this goes, I might scooch it over a little bit, but that's what's going on here. I didn't address it earlier. But yeah. He's like, can you just let me chill? Can you leave? I knew this was gonna happen. Didn't I say it? Didn't I say it? Didn't I say it? Get down from there. See, it begins. The curiosity begins. I want to put this painting right here, but he can just climb this couch and snatch it. And this is kind of fabric, it's canvas. He'll think it's just the best thing to sink his nails into. So I actually need to rethink the height if the chair is gonna be a great step stool for him. But he's just not gonna be allowed in here when I'm not here, because he's gonna wreak havoc in this room. I just see it coming.